Welcome to the session number 15 from the playlist of units and measurements. The topic is the dimensions of a physical quantity, and based on this topic I have selected one question from NCERT exemplar, and the question here is: a new system of units is proposed in which the unit of mass is alpha kg, the unit of length is beta meter, and the unit of time is gamma seconds. So how much will 5 joule measure in this system of unit? Now 5 joule is the measurement of energy in the SI system of units. So first of all, let us write the dimension of energy. So the dimension of energy, as we all know, is equal to m to the power 1, L to the power 2 and T to the power minus 2. Now in the SI system of unit, the unit of mass, say M1, is equal to 1 kg. The unit of length, say L1, this is equal to 1 meter. And the unit of time, say T1, is equal to 1 second. So these are the units in the SI system of unit. And in the new system of unit, the unit of mass, say M2, is equal to alpha kg. The unit of length, say L2, this is equal to beta meter, and the unit of time, say T2, this is equal to gamma seconds. Now we also know that the product of the magnitude of a physical quantity and its unit is a constant. So for any two system of units, I can write this equation as N1U1 is equal to N2U2. So this is the equation which I will be using in order to find the magnitude of 5 joule energy in this new system of unit. So if N1 is the magnitude of the energy in the SI system of unit, then N1 will be equal to 5 joule. So from this formula, N2 will be equal to N1 into U1 upon U2, and from here the value of N2, which is the magnitude of this 5 joule energy in the new system of unit, this will be equal to N1. So if N1 here will be equal to 5 joule, and U1 will be written as M1 to the power 1, L1 to the power 2, and T1 to the power minus 2, and U2 will be equal to M2 to the power 1, L2 to the power 2, and T2 to the power minus 2. Because we have taken the unit of mass in the SI system of unit as M1, the unit of length in the SI system of unit as L1, and the unit of time in the SI system of unit as T1. And in the new system of unit, we have taken the unit of the mass as M2, which is here equal to alpha kg, and the unit of length was taken as L2, which is equal to beta meter, and T2 is the unit of time, which is equal to gamma seconds. So here M1 is equal to 1 kg, because this is the unit of mass in the SI system of unit. L1 is the equal to 1 meter, which is the unit of length in the SI system of unit, and T1 is equal to 1 second, which is the unit of time in the SI system of unit, and M2 is equal to alpha kg, T2 is equal to gamma seconds, and L2 is equal to beta meter. So from this equation, N2 will be equal to 5. Now this can be written as M1 divided by M2 to the power 1, L1 divided by L2 to the power 2, and T1 upon T2 to the power minus 2. So this will be equal to, now here M1 is equal to 1 kg, so 1 kg, M2 is equal to alpha kg to the power 1, L1 upon L2, L1 is equal to 1 meter, L2 is equal to beta meter to the power 2, and T1 is equal to 1 second, and T2 is equal to gamma seconds. So from here, the magnitude of the 5 joule energy in the new system of unit will be equal to 5 and this can be written as gamma square divided by alpha beta square. So N2, which is the magnitude of the 5 joule energy in the new system of unit, is equal to 5 gamma square divided by alpha beta square. So thank you very much for joining this session. In the next session, I will be coming up with a different type of a question from the same topic, that is dimensions of a physical quantity. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.